Hi everyone, welcome to today's session, and in today's session let us see the most important problems which are given from sets chapter. In that, from the following Venn diagram, write the elements of set A and B and verify n of A union B plus n of A intersection B equal to n of A plus n of B. Try to understand the question. This is called our Venn diagram. We need to write first of all the elements of set A. Can you write down what are the elements of set A? In general, sets are usually represented by the capital letter. So, set A, it is represented by capital A, and elements in the set are written by small letters. As set A consists of elements A, C, D, F and H. What are the elements in set A? A, D, C, F and H. So as set A means whole thing, this everything. Elements of set A are A, C, D, F, H. Okay. Now coming to set B. What are the elements in set B? Set B nothing but this everything. So what are the elements in set B? A, B, D, E, G, H. Right? Elements in set B. So this is called a curly bracket. Always we need to write the elements in the set within curly brackets. Within curly brackets. This is called a curly bracket. Open bracket and closure bracket. Inside these brackets we need to write the elements, and elements are separated by the comma, right? So A, comma, B, comma, D, comma, E, comma, G, comma, H. So what are the elements in set B? Elements in set B are A, B, D, E, G, H. So the first question is what? Write the elements of set A and set B. Now coming to second one, they are asking to verify that n of A union B plus n of A intersection B equal to n of A plus n of B. Okay. So first what we will do, let us find A union B. So this is the symbol for union. This is the symbol for union and this is the symbol for intersection. Okay. So first of all, what do you mean by n? N is nothing but cardinal number of elements. I mean how many elements given set consists of, right? First suppose if you observe here, as set A consists of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many elements as set A consists of? Set A consists of 5 elements. So what is n of A? N of A is how much? 5. I mean as n indicates number of elements which are present in set A. Coming to set B, as set B consists of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. As set B consists of 6 elements, what is n of B? As n of B equal to 6 elements. Did you understand? number of elements which are present in given set is called cardinal number of elements of particular set. That is n of A and n of B. That we have found here. I mean, which is there on right hand side of the equation. I mean n of A plus n of B. Later we will see that. Now coming to, we need to find out A union B. So A, this is the symbol for union B. How to find A union B? A union B is nothing but, what are the elements in set A? A, D, C, F, H, union. What are the elements in set B? A, B, D, E, G, H. These are the elements in set B. Union means all the elements which are present in both set A and set B. If at all any element is repeating twice, we need to write only once. Children, if you see here, as A is there here, A is also present in set B. I mean A is repeating two times, so we need to write only once. Now coming to B, which is present in only set B, but there is no element B which is there in set A, but also we need to write B. As C is here, we need to write. Coming to D, which is present in both set A and set B. If at all any element is repeating twice, we need to write only once. So A, B, C, D. Then E is there here, F is there here, G is there here, as well as H is present in both the sets. So what is A union B? A union B is nothing but, from the following Venn diagram, A union B means all the elements which are present in both set A and set B. I mean A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. All the elements which are present in both set A and set B. Right? Now coming to, as we have here n of A union B. So A union B is this. If at all, if you want to find n of A union B, what are the elements which are present in A union B? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There are 8 elements which are present in A union B. So n of A union B is 8. Now coming to A intersection B. A intersection B. What are the elements present in set A? A, D, C, F, H. Intersection. What are the elements in set B? A, B, D, E, G, H. So, what do you mean by intersection? Intersection means the elements which are present in both set A and set B. I mean, what are the elements which are common for both the sets? If you observe here from the following Venn diagram, this part, as this part which is common for both set A and set B. I mean the element D which is there in set A as well as set B. Element A which is there in set A as well as set B. Element H which is there in set A as well as set B. So elements A, D, H which are common for both the sets. Intersection in the sense we need to write the common elements. Okay. So here A is common as well as D is common, D, as well as H is common, H. Only we need to write common elements. They are A, D and H. What are the common elements which are there in both set A and set B? They are A, D, H. Now coming to, we need to find out n of A intersection B. N means number of elements which are present in set A intersection B. We have 1, 2, 3. So n of A intersection B is 3 children. Right? Now they are asking to verify n of A union B plus n of A intersection B equal to n of A plus n of B. What is n of A union B? As n of A union B is 8 plus as n of A intersection B is 3 3 equal to, as we have here n of a, already we got n of a value 5 plus and n of b value 6. Right? They are asking to verify this. N of a union b is 8. N of a intersection b is 3 equal to n of a value is 5 plus n of b value 6. Okay. So as 8 plus 3 is 11 and 5 plus 6 is 11. I mean LHS equal to RHS. Hence they are asking to verify, right? Hence verified. Therefore what can we say that? Therefore n of a union b, therefore n of a union b plus n of a intersection b equal to what? N of a plus n of b. So this is our relationship between n of a, n of b and n of a union b and n of a intersection b. Okay. So these are the types of problems they'll ask for this year 8-mark question. Okay children. So this is the most important 8-mark question which is given from sets. Now coming to second question, using the Venn diagram, verify n of a union b equal to n of a plus n of b minus n of a intersection b. Now the same problem, the same method as we have discussed in the previous question. So let us find first of all what are the elements which are present in set A. What are the elements present in set A? They are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Elements in set A are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And what about elements in set B? Elements in set B are 2, 3, 6, 7, 9. 2, 3, 6, 7, 9. And coming to what about the elements 8, 10, 11, 12? They are universal set. Actually, this mu is called universal set. Universal set is represented by a rectangle box. I mean all the elements which are there in both set A and set B, that is called as universal set. Universal set in the sense 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay. So that is called universal set. So it is represented by the letter mu or u. Now coming to our question, elements in set A are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And what is n of A? I mean cardinal number of elements in set A. N of A is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. As n of A value is 5. Now coming to n of B, how many elements which are there in set B? In set B as also 5 only. I mean n of B also 5. Okay. Now let us find A union B. A union B in the sense both the elements, all the elements which are present in set A and set B. A union B equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 union 2, 3, 6, 7, 9. The elements which are present in both set A and set B. If at all any element is repeating twice, we need to write only once. I mean 1, 2 is repeating 2 times, we should write only once. 3 is repeating 2 times, we should write only once. Then 4, 5, 6, 7 and 9. They are the elements in A union B. Now coming to n of A union B. N of A union B. How many elements are there in A union B? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. N of A union B is 8. As well as coming to A intersection B. A intersection B. As the elements of set A are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Intersection. The elements of set B are 2, 3, 6, 7, 9. So as I told you, intersection in the sense common elements. By seeing the Venn diagram, we can say directly 2 and 3 which are belongs to both set A as well as set B. So common elements are 2 and 3. 2 is common for both the sets as well as 3 is also common for both the sets. The common elements are only 2 and 3. So n of A intersection B is how much? 2. Right? Now let us verify n of A union B. So what is n of A union B? As n of A union B is 8 equal to, as n of A is 5 plus n of B is 5 minus n of A intersection B is 2. So 8 equal to 5 plus 5, 10 minus 2. This 2, right? So 8 equal to 10 minus 2, which is equal to 8. I mean LHS is equal to RHS. Left hand side is equal to right hand side. Hence verified. They are asking to verify, right? Therefore, we can say that n of A union B equal to n of A plus n of B minus n of A intersection B. This is the relationship between, this is the most important relationship between n of A, n of B, n of A union B and n of A intersection B. That is n of A union B equal to n of A plus n of B minus n of A intersection B. Now coming to third question, given set A is x such that x, how to read this is called such that x is a prime less than 20. You know what are the prime numbers? The numbers which are divisible by, the numbers which are having only two factors, that is 1 and itself. They are called prime numbers, primes. Okay, you know what are the prime numbers which are less than 20? Suppose you see number 2. What are the factors of 2? 1 2s are 2, 2 1s are 2. The only factors of 2 are 1 and 2. That is 1 and itself. Coming to number 3, the factors of 3 are 1 and 3 only. 1 3s are 3, 3 1s are 3. The factors of 3 are 1 and itself. And coming to 5, the factors of 5 are 1 and 5 only. That is 1 and itself. The only, as primes are consist of only two factors, that is 1 and itself. Okay? Only 2 is the even prime number. Only 2 is the even prime number. Rest all primes are odd numbers only. But all odd numbers are not prime numbers. Coming to 7. The factors of 7 are 1 and 7. That is 1 and itself. Is it 9 is a prime number? Is it 9 is a prime number? Because 9 is an odd number. As I told you, only odd numbers are prime numbers. But not all odd numbers. Because as the factors of 9 are 1 9s are 9, 3 3s are 9, 9 1s are 9. Right? The factors of 9 are 1, 3, 9. They are not two factors. More than two factors. We call it as composite numbers. Okay? So, prime numbers, a given set A is x such that x is a prime less than 20. Prime numbers which are less than 20 are, you need to remember, 2, 3, 5, 7, 9 is not a prime number, 11, 13, 15 is also not a prime number because 3 5s are 15. So 17 and 19. They are the primes which are less than 20. 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17 and 19. Now coming to given set B is x such that x is a whole number less than 20. Whole numbers, natural numbers together with 0 are called whole numbers. I mean, it starts from 0. They are asking whole numbers less than 10. I mean, whole numbers, it starts from 0. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Because less than 10 means up to 9. Okay. So, see here the question is asking indirectly. They did not give directly the elements of set A as well as set B. They have given the statement that x such that x is a prime less than 20. Primes less than 20 are 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19. And set B is x such that x is a whole number less than 10. Whole numbers which are less than 10 are 0 to 9. Now they are asking to verify the same verification. N of A union B equal to N of A plus N of B minus N of A intersection B. Directly we can do it. As the elements, number of elements which are present in set A are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I mean, as N of A equal to 8, right? Number of elements which are there in set A is 8. Now coming to N of B, how many elements which are there in set B? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So right, N of B equal to 10. Children, 0 is also element. Don't confuse, 0 is also element. Okay. Now let us find A union B. A union B. I mean all the elements. Right? 0, 1, 2 is repeating 2 times. We need to write only once. Also 3 is repeating 2 times, we need to write only once. 4, 5 is repeating 2 times, we need to write only once. Then 6, 7 is repeating 2 times, only once. Then 8, then 9. We don't have 10, 11, 13, 17, 19. These are the elements which are there in both set A and set B. So can you find out cardinal number of elements of the set A union B? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So how many elements are there which are in set A union B? 14 elements. Okay. Now coming to A intersection B. I mean the common elements. The common elements are here 2, 3, 5, 7. They are the common elements. Let us write 2, 3, 5, 7. So what is N of A intersection B? N of A intersection B equal to 1, 2, 3, 4. That is equal to 4. So let us verify relationship now. N of A union B. N of A union B we got 14 equal to N of A we got 8 plus N of B we got 10 minus N of A intersection B we got 4. So 14 equal to 8 plus 10, 18 minus 4. So 14 equal to 18 minus 4, that is equal to 14, as LHS equal to RHS. Hence verified. Therefore, what is the relationship between N of A union B equal to N of A plus N of B minus N of A intersection B? This is the relationship between N of A, N of B, N of A union B and N of A intersection B. Right? Now coming to fourth question. X such that X is a prime and X less than 10, and given set B equal to X such that X is a factor of 6. Then find A intersection B, A union B, A minus B and B minus A. I mean difference between set A and set B, difference between set B and set A. Okay, they have given set A is what? A equal to X such that X is a prime and x less than 10. What is the meaning of x less than 10? I mean, indirectly they are asking the prime numbers which are less than 10. Primes which are less than 10, they are 2, 3, 5, 7. So that's all. They are the elements of set A. Now coming to set B, given x such that x is a factor of 6. Can you say me what are the factors of 6? 1 6 is 6, 2 3 is 6, 3 2 is 6 and 6 1 is 6. They are the factors of 6. That is 1, 2, 3, 6. They are the factors of 6. Now, elements in set B are 1, 2, 3, 6. Right? We got the both set A elements as well as set B elements. Now, what to do? First of all, we need to find out. The first question is A intersection B. As I told you, intersection in the sense which are present in both set A and set B. I mean common elements. What are the common elements, children? As 2 is there in both the sets, 2, as well as 3 is there in both the sets, 3. So common elements are 2 and 3. So A intersection B means common elements. Now coming to second question, A union B. I mean in set A, elements are 2, 3, 5, 7. Union. In set B, elements are 1, 2, 3, 6. What do you mean by union? Union means all the elements which are there in both set A and set B. Right? So, we need to write 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. All the elements. If at all any element is repeating 2 times, we need to write only once. That is A union B. Now coming to third one, A minus B. Difference between set A and set B. As set A consists of elements 2, 3 minus 2, 3, 5, 7 minus set B elements are 1, 2, 3, 6. Listen here children carefully. A minus B means only elements in set A. See here, as the element 2 is repeating, we need to cancel. As well as 3 is repeating, we need to cancel. A minus B means only elements which are there in set A, but not in B. So, children, you don't write 5, 7, 1, 6. Only elements which are present in set A, that is 5, 7. So, A minus B is only 5, 7. Okay. Now coming to B minus A. B minus A means first we need to write what are the elements which are there in set B. Elements which are there in set B are 1, 2, 3, 6 minus elements which are there in set A are 2, 3, 5, 7. Now what are the common elements? As 2 is common, let us cancel because we are subtracting. As 3 is common, let us cancel because we are subtracting. B minus A in the sense only elements which are there in set B but not in set A. Elements which are there in only set B are 1 and 6. So B minus A is only 1, 6 children. So we should not mention here elements 5 and 7. Okay, A minus B means only elements in set A. B minus A means only elements which are present in set B. So that is our A union B, A intersection B, A minus B and B minus A. Now coming to fifth question, if A equal to 1, 2, 3, 4 and set B equal to 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, then represent Venn diagram of A minus B, B minus A union B and A intersection B. Okay children, so first let us represent Venn diagram of A minus B. What is A minus B? as A minus B equal to, what are the elements in set A? Elements in set A are 1, 2, 3, 4 minus, what are the elements in set B? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. What are the elements which are common for both the set A and set B? I mean 2, 2, 4, 4. A minus B means only elements in set A. That is 1, 3. That we need to represent using Venn diagram. See, let me represent using Venn diagram. This is A and this is B. This is our universal set mu. The common elements are 2, 4. Right? A minus B means, as I told you, A minus B means only elements in A but not in B. Only A is, this is our only A, children. This part is our only A. This is our only A, that is 1 and 3. What about B here? We have 6, 8, 10. So this is our A minus B. This is our A minus B. Right? Using Venn diagram, A minus this part, this indicates our A minus B. Suppose B minus A. What do you mean by B minus A? B minus A means, what are the elements in B? Elements in B are 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 minus elements in set A are 1, 2, 3, 4. What are the common elements, children? 2, 2, 4, 4. So remaining elements are only elements which are there in set B, 6, 8, 10. 6, 8, 10. So let me represent here. This is our A. This is our B. Rectangle box indicates universal set. Which are common elements are 2 and 4. Element A 1, 2, 3, 4. Element B is 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Can you say me? What is B minus A means? Only elements which are there in B but not in A. B minus A means this part. This is our B minus A. Only elements in B. This part indicates our B minus A. Right? Now coming to third one, A union B. A. This is our A and this is our B. A means 1, 2, 3, 4. B means 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. A union B means all the elements which are there in both set A and set B, children. Right? Everything. This everything indicates here, as I did like this. This is our A union B. Means all the elements. Whereas A intersection B, A, B, this is universal set. The common elements are 2, 4. Elements A are 1, 2, 3, 4. Element B are 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. A intersection B. As I told you, this is common for both the elements set A and set B. This is common for both the set A and set B. So this part, this is our A intersection B. So they may ask the questions like this: A union B, A intersection B, A minus B and B minus A by using Venn diagram. Okay, children. Now coming to our next topic is subsets. List all its subsets of set A equal to P comma Q. As set A consists of two elements. So what are the number of subsets of set A? We can say we have the formula that is 2 power n. As set A consists of two elements, I mean 2 power n value 2. So 2 square means 2 into 2, 4. I mean set A consists of 4 subsets. Okay. Now coming to set B. As set B consists of 3 elements. Can you say me how many subsets does set B consist of? As n value 3. So the formula is 2 power n. 2 power 3. That is equal to 8. I mean set B consists of 8 subsets. Now coming to set C. Set C consists of 1, 2, 3, 4 as 4 elements. Can you find out how many subset does set C belongs or does set C have? The formula is 2 power 4. 2 power 4 as 2 into 2 into 2 into 2, that is equal to 16 subsets. Okay, let us find the subsets. And the first and foremost important point is every set is a subset of itself. Every set is a subset of itself, and empty set is a subset of every set. Empty set is a subset of every set, right? So let me write the subsets of set A are, as I told you, empty set is a subset of every set, and every set is a subset of itself. Empty set is a subset of every set. Every set is a subset of itself, right? Now remaining two elements are individually we have to write. One is set P and other one is set Q, right? You can see here, as I told you, set A consists of two elements. The formula for finding number of subsets of a given set is 2 power n. As 2 power 2, 4. You can count here 1, 2, 3, 4. As set A consists of 4 subsets. Now coming to set B, as it consists of 3 elements, we can find out number of subsets of set B is 2 power n, 2 cube, 8 subsets. Okay, as I told you, every empty set is a subset of every set, and every set is a subset of itself. Every set is a subset of itself, and then individual elements x, then y, then z, individually one element over. Now coming to xy, and then xz. Okay, two elements we are writing now, xy, xz, then y to z, yz, right? Now coming to how many elements, how many sets over? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yes, total number of subsets are 8 sets, right? Because as it consists of 3 elements, number of subsets are 2 power 3, 8 subsets. Yes, we got 8 subsets. Now coming to set C, as it is consisting of 4 elements, as I told you, empty set is a subset of every set, and every set is a subset of itself. Now let us write individual elements. 1, 2, 3, 4. Right? One element. Did you understand, children? Empty set is a subset of every set. Every set is a subset of itself. Then individually we are writing 1, set 2, set 3, set 4. Now let us write two elements. 1 2, 1 3, 1 4, right? As well as 2 3, 2 4, as well as now from 3 to 4, 2 elements over now. Now let us find 3 elements. That is 1 2 3, 1 2 3, again 1 2 4, again 2 3 4, 1 2 3, 1 2 4, and 2 3 4. Count it. How many are? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 over. Now 3 4 1. I mean 1 3 4 we did not write. 1 3 4. Totally we got. There are 16 elements in set C, because as set C consists of 4 elements, so number of subsets are 2 raised to the power 4, that is equal to 16. So this is the subset concept, right? Now coming to representation of sets, as sets can be represented in 2 forms. The first one is roster form, second one is set builder form. We can represent sets in 2 ways, roster form and set builder form. For example, set A is set of vowels in English alphabet. What is our set? Set of vowels in English alphabet. What is the set? Set is vowels in the English alphabet. Can you say me what are the vowels in English alphabet? How can we represent this statement in roster form and set builder form? See, in roster form, we need to write the elements within the curly brackets and elements are separated by the comma. So roster form is easy only. So let me represent set with the letter V. And set of vowels in English alphabet, we know that vowels in English alphabet are A, E, I, O, U. There are 5 elements which are there in set V. Elements in set are written by small letters and they are separated by the comma. A, E, I, O, U. See, this is the representation of roster form. Our set is set of vowels in English alphabet. Set is going to be represented by the capital letter and elements in the set are written by small letter and they are separated by the comma. And that we need to include within the curly bracket, open bracket, closed bracket. Now, how to represent the given statement in set builder form? How to write the given set in set builder form? See, let me write in set builder form. V equal to, set is going to be represented by the letter V equal to open bracket, x such that x. How to read this? X such that x, x such that x. So this is our roster form. V equal to A, E, I, O, U. This roster form we can write in set builder form. So see here, as A, E, I, O, U are vowels in English alphabet. So the property is what here? The property is set of vowels in English alphabet. So that property we need to mention there. So x such that, let me write here, set builder form, x such that x is a vowel in English alphabet. So this is the representation of set builder form. Representation of set builder form. For example, let me write x such that x is a natural number smaller than 6. X such that x is a, my question is x such that x is a natural number smaller than, x such that x is a natural number smaller than 6. How to write this in Roster form? Let me represent a set is by A. What are the natural numbers smaller than 6? Natural numbers smaller than 6 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right? Because they are asking smaller than 6 only. So this is the given set. We represented as in roster form. Roster form, elements are written within the curly brackets and they are separated by the comma. For example, my question is, let me represent set A equal to 1, 4, 9, 16, 25. This is the set A. How to write this set A in set builder form? How to write the given set A in set builder form? If you observe the property of the elements which are there in set A, as 1 is nothing but 1 square, 4 is nothing but 2 square, 9 is nothing but 3 square, 16 is nothing but 4 square, 25 is nothing but 5 square. So what is the common property of all the elements? That is, they are the squares of the number. So I can write as A equal to x such that x is a square number, x such that x is a square number and x is less than 6. X such that x is a square number and x is less than 6. So in this way we can represent given set in set builder form. For example, let me write the set B equal to 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19. This is the set B. How to write set B in set builder form? If you observe the elements of set B, as what is the property of elements of set B? As 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19, they are primes, right? So let me represent set B in set builder form. X such that x is a prime, and x less than 20. X less than 20 because they all are prime numbers. They are less than 20. For example, let me write the set C equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Can you say me what is the elements which are belongs to set B? They have some common property. They are what? Actually they are natural numbers. They are what? Natural numbers. So how can I write as in set builder form? X such that x is a natural number and x less than 10. Okay, this is our set builder form. Children, I hope you understood how to represent sets in roster form and set builder form. As I have discussed all the topics, representation of sets, subsets, union, intersection, difference of two sets, how to write sets in set builder form, all the topics we have covered in this video. So don't forget to hit subscribe button, like it, share it. Thank you children.